Genelec would like to welcome you to our new virtual showroom. So let's have a look. Starting right from the main entrance, we enter the experience. And this is going to bring you to 3 specific locations from home audio, professional monitoring, and AV installation. Let's dig right into the professional monitoring. As we enter, you'll see a very similar looking room to the room I'm in, and this configuration is in 512, but we can also expand this all the way out from 714 to my room here of 916. And this is where it really becomes virtual. So let's explore the room. Moving in a little closer to the front, we can explore and look at all the products that reside up front. As you notice these information tabs and you click on them, you'll find all the product specs and links to the product page. Now, taking a step back, we can look at the software. Whether we look up to the big screen for GLM or come down to these computer monitors for Oral ID and the grade report. And moving even further around the room, we can look at the mounting capabilities of the speakers and what products we use in these sort of typical applications. From floor stand to wall mount. Just a few of the many mounting options Genelec offers. Now let's move into Studio B. And here we'll find a smaller desk with 8331s in the near field position. We also have the 1234 main monitors, and again, when we click on the information tab, you'll find the spec sheet and link to product page. Now let's have a look at the AV installation showrooms. Isn't this nice? We can look at the different mounting of different types of products, and notice this, the raw finish of the 4420. And again, here's where you find the spec sheets and product information. And move back out around the room, we can see where these different models reside, and there's the table stand. Let's move deeper into a conference room where we can see custom colored wall-mounted speakers, and Genelec offers 120 RAL color options. Clicking on the video screen, you can learn a little bit more about Genelec's sustainability, as well as case studies, more about the 4000 series, and have a look at the RAL color chart. And lastly, let's have a look at the home audio showroom. And from here, you'll find information on the 6040R floor stand speaker, or the G series two-way active monitors, and the F series active subwoofers. So all the information that you need to know about our products will reside here in our virtual showroom. I hope you find this all very informative, and please go have a look.